Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Max and my day. I'm really sorry I didn't post Friday. My bad. I had stuff to watch, and I have Putty with me. It's wet. That's why my hands are like that. And yeah, this is basically what that's about. Oh. So I'm changing it. It's going to be Monday with Max. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Mwah. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment. The comment of the day is, would you get this putty? I might be getting slime later, so keep in touch. There might be 2 videos today. Bye.